Natural cough remedies. Honey tea. Honey provides the most significant relief from coughing. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Milk and turmeric. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is an effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. Jaggery solution. Boil water with black pepper, cumin and jaggery. Consume this solution when warm and it will give you relief from chest congestion. Eucalyptus oil. Use it in a vaporizer or rub on your chest to help break up mucus. Steam. A good dose of steam can loosen the phlegm and help with both a cough dry and a productive cough. Boil some water and put it in a bowl. As you breathe in the steam, drape a towel over your head in the bowl to improve its potency. Salt and water gargle. While the remedy may seem relatively simple, a salt and water gargle can help soothe a scratchy throat that causes you to cough. Mixing salt with warm water can help to relieve irritation caused by cough, also kill the bacteria.